meal. We're gonna do a quick salad. It's nothing super fancy, but it's something that I really actually enjoy. So for this, you're going to need whatever it is you're gonna put your salad in. A knife, heart of palm. Took those out, but I have this to show you. Okay, you're gonna need an avocado, cucumber, and onion. I have this onion cut up from a video that I did previously. And then your tomatoes. You can use whatever tomatoes you choose. So first, I went and I rinsed off my heart of palm, which is why it's technically already out. So I'm just gonna take it and cut it in half like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of chop it up. Make sure that's there. That. My little cutting board, y'all. I have a bigger one, but I just didn't pull it out. That. There's really no like specific order that you have to put this in. I just do it however I cut my stuff up. So don't feel like, oh no, I put this in first. I shouldn't have did that. It's not that big of a deal. There's really no special way to cut these up either. I just want you to know that as well. Cut them up the size that you feel. This one looks crazy. That didn't cut through good. There it is. All right. Just gonna kind of do a little something with these. Nothing crazy. That. Okay. That. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up. Let's cut the ends off. You don't have to use an entire cucumber. I'm probably gonna only use half. Yeah, I like cucumbers, so I'll just go ahead and use all of them. Throw those in. Then we're gonna grab our avocado. All the way around. Grab these, throw them in as well. Grab our tomatoes. Give them a quick rinse. Gonna grab a handful of these. I'm gonna cut these in half. Throw them in. Those. All right, then you're just gonna want to grab some salt. I'm using sea salt, guys. And some pepper. If you're not big on dressing, you can just go with a simple olive oil. If you do, however, like dressing, you can use a balsamic. That's what I'll be using today. In my next video for you guys, I'll be showing you how to make a simple dressing at home. Super simple. That'll be in the next video because I don't have any made right now, so it'll be the perfect time for me to make some for you. Keep in mind, you can add anything you want to this. I'm probably gonna end up adding some olives, some black ones, because I'm obsessed with olives. But here is a super simple salad for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know the avocado was a little petty, but we're not gonna worry about that today. It happens to the best of us. So if you like this kind of content, make sure you share with someone you know who also is interested. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, you guys, stay beautiful. Bye.